Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Southern Fleek box from Nikki Ward over on Etsy. Let's get into it. Check it out. You guys know how much I love getting this box. It comes monthly. It is a subscription box. You can sign up at Nikki's Etsy site. I will put the link and my code below. It's just Catherine. It gets you 10% off in her Etsy shop. I love this box each month. I say it every time. She is a scent master. She does absolutely the best scents. The minute I take this out of the bag, it smells so good. Let's see what our paperwork tells us this month. It is Flower Garden and we have 6 items. If you would like to go over and check her out, I will link her of course below, but there are QR codes you can just scan if you want. You can always hit pause. Anytime I hold something up to the camera, you guys can just hit pause and it gives you a little more time. All right, digging right in, we have these 2 wrapped together. Actually, it looks like we have 3 sets of 2. Our first out looks like a sunflower. I hope that is coming across yellow and bright and sunshiny like it is here. It is so adorable. She does the best colors, the best scents. Can I tell? I can't tell. It's very sunny and bright. I can tell that, but I can't tell what our scents are we're going for. Let's read. Hello, Sunkissed Sunflower. This bath bomb is stunning. It smells like summer with a coconut twist. Now that's my kind of flower. Oh. It smells so good. I don't even need to take it out of the wrapping. It smells so good. How gorgeous would this just be like a day or 2 before you use it if you kept a little plate in your bathroom and unwrapped it and it would like having thoughts in my own brain. I just always take these out of my closet and immediately use them, but you could in theory unwrap them, let them sit for a couple days, really enjoy that scent. I'll be doing that. That is gorgeous. Also in that little twosome we have, oh, I think it's a bee. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It says honeybee on the back. I feel like I know that scent also. It smells kind of like, and I keep meaning to ask Nikki this, it smells kind of like the Lush Honey I Shrunk the, it's not kids, Honey I Washed the Kids. Is that what it is? How do I forget this every time? It is my absolute favorite scent. Probably my absolute favorite scent at Lush. Yeah, that's what this smells like. Honeybee Bath Bomb. This bath bomb is super cute and hand painted. Each one nourishing to the skin and beautiful. Scented in caramel honey. Yes. I'm telling you, that's what it smells like. It smells delicious. Look how cute that little fella is. I mean, that is so cute. Next to, this box always brings me such joy. I love the way her items look. I mean, come on. I love the way they smell. It just makes me so happy. Next out, this one, we don't have to guess what it is. It says right on it, Shower Bomb. It is mango and coconut milk. This is a real yin-yang thing for me. Coconut milk, one of my favorites. Mango, not one of my favorites. Shower Bomb. This is not a shower steamer. Get it wet and it will foam up in your hands and you wash with the foam. It makes you soft and smells great. Caution after shaving as it does contain citric acid. Enjoy. Scented in blackberry, magnolia, or mango coconut. This is primarily the coconut. I do get a little bit of the mango. I do get a little bit. This is going to be so fun to use. This is a first. I have never tried anything like that, so I can't wait to give it a try. Also wrapped up with this one, it looks like we have another, oh, it says Pearlescent Daisy. I was going to say another sunflower. I'm great at flowers. Oh, that smells good. Very bright and nice. What does it say on here? This gorgeous painted bath bomb is made with skin nourishing ingredients and is scented in either apple or daisy. We got daisy, and it says daisy is shimmering. If you can see around the edges where the flower part is, not in the center, it's kind of got, wow, that's too bright, shimmer to it. That smells so good. Okay, we have 2 more items. This one looks like a rose. So we are absolutely fulfilling a flower garden. Oh, that smells good. That does not smell like rose. Peach. I think it smells like peaches. Rosebud Bath Bomb. I swear it doesn't smell like rose. Enjoy moisturizing, beautiful scented water. Just dissolve in warm water and relax. You'll receive either just peachy or apricot rose scent. I know. As a 50-something-year-old woman, should I be bragging about the fact that I can tell Rose from Peach. Probably not. And yet I'm proud. Another delight. And last out, it looks like a bathtub, a vintage bathtub. Can you see the gold accents on it? So pretty. The bubbles look shiny too. Let's see what this says. Bathtub bath bomb. This fun logo bath bomb. Oh, I didn't even pick that up. It's their logo. How stinking cute is that? Oh my gosh, so cute. Where was it? This fun logo bath bomb will be one of 6 different fragrances. And each one was hand painted to be beautiful and unique. Mine is delicious. It's caramelly too, I think. Does it say on here? It just says tub bath bomb. Mine is very much like my honeybee. It's got a little more warmth to it. She didn't tell us our options, so I'm gonna call this toasted marshmallow. Totally made that up. But it is, to me, a gourmand scent. That is so fun. That is so cute that she did her own logo. How sweet is that? How lovely is this box? It makes me so happy. We got our Daisy Bath Bomb and our Sunflower Bath Bomb. We got Just Peachy, looks like a sweet rose. The Shower Bomb that we actually use like soap. That is so intriguing to me. Can't wait to try something different. The Honeybee smells so good. And her cute logo bathtub, which is a mystery scent, but I think is very gourmand. Another 6 out of 6. How gorgeous is that? They are so fun. They make bath time so fun. I will link Nikki's Etsy shop at the bottom along with code Catherine. You will get 10% off in the shop. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you will like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And have a great day, guys. Bye.